So let's start this conversation. Are you ready to start?
Yes, sure.
Okay.
Okay, so if you will like post this video, so many people will watch our video. Am I right? Okay.
Yes, sure, sure.
Okay, so first of all, my name is Tapun Hamdan. I'm from West Bengal of India, as you know that. And if I talk about my education, so after completing my 12th examination, I gave them my study because there were some reasons behind it. That's why I had to give up my study. And if I talk about my hobby, so especially I like playing football. That's all about me. Now it's your turn.
You love to play football, right?
Yeah. And also I want to know more about you.
Okay. Thank you for giving this wonderful chance. And today, this is the first session. I think so we are going to recording in 2026. So let me introduce. Okay, and I'm going to introduce. Hi, this is me, Khudiram Murmu, and I am from Jharkhand, India, and really, and if I talking about my education, yes, I did uh, my study till the UG. Okay, and thereafter I yes quit my study. Then yes, I used to job my in a BPO company. Then also I have quit this job really, and I love to reading book. And this
Okay.
is a very short term goal to uh, learn English spoken journey, right? Journey.
Yes. Okay. I want to
Yeah.
know
Okay.
that now we all are learners. We are learning this language. Okay. And also there are many people that wants to learn this language, but some people don't understand that where to start actually learning English. So would you tell them something little bit about English, that how to start, where to start, what kind of things we have to learn first, so that we can learn very fast.
I think to learning English spoken is not easy and it is not too difficult. But first of all, you have to uh, agree with your mind. If if really I want to learn my English spoken, you start and you speak in English. Yes, don't matter. Okay, how you are speaking good, or you are speaking bad. But let's start the speaking in English. Yes, I think this is the way
Yes,
you can start. And
yes.
it is not a one night phenomenon as I told. Actually, I think this is the uh, very continuous process. Okay, it might be 1 year, 2 years, it might take a lot of time to improve, and thereafter you can speak very fluently.
Those who doesn't know everything about English, like even even like that, or also they know about like A B C D, they are like zero knowledge, who has zero knowledge in their mind. So uh, if uh, if I would tell you that, give them suggestion that so that started from zero level.
Good question. Look, I'm not too much good in English. I really, and I'm also learning. Okay, so really, the point I will share here. Okay, I did learn. Okay, and how I'm learning, right? So first of all, really, let me share my opinion. Really, I don't do the things. Just I focus on the vocabulary and reading and try to speak. Okay, whatever. Just suppose your mother tongue is Hindi or maybe Santhal. Okay, so how you are speaking with in front of the people, you greeting like greetings or respect like that. Just speak out in your English word actually, right? That's the way, and I think that's how you can speak. This is the very basic, and initially, if you will start this kind of conversation, and really, you can't imagine one day you can speak English. You will realize that yes, I can speak English.
So may I know about your like behind of learning English? Why you are learning English? What is the behind? What is the reason behind it?
Okay, what is the main reason to I'm learning my English spoken? Okay, why actually, right? Look, there are
Yes.
so many abstract reason maybe, but my reasons is to learning. Really, this is a very good language actually. Why I'm saying this is good language? If you will learn without English, I think say, uh, and it's really if you are a really well educated person, if you don't know about the English, I think there is nothing. So English is really very important. It's play the very crucial roles in a different sector, uh, any company or any office or anywhere. Suppose if you will go abroad, okay, and you will meet with other people, then how will you communicate if you don't know in English? So I think English is such a common language. Yes, across the world and anywhere, mostly people can speak in English everywhere, right? So this is why, and I think English is it's give me really motivate, and so many are really printed in English. So many goods book actually, and that's why I love to reading also in English. Boost up my communication skill, right, in English, and also I think yes, if I can learn English very well, thereafter I will teach my villager student. Yes, I can teach like uh, grammar, tenses, so many things. Because in a village, I've seen most of the students are really very weakness in our village. Really,
Okay.
that's why I want to help them. That's why.
Yeah. You have great, like plan, and you have great like dreams. Also, yeah, you try your best. Okay, so let me ask you another questions. Okay, suppose that now in this generation, so there are many learners. Okay, they are learning. They are on the way of learning English, but that sometimes they get stuck. Like when they try to explain something, okay, they they get stuck. At the time they don't understand that how to speak for a long time
Okay,
and how to
I think
explain
look,
everything. Could you suggest?
this is good. This is good question. It's happen when you will start initially with conversation with anybody else. That time it's happen because of that time you have no that much vocabulary in your mind, and really you have not outstanding of the topic in a specific topic. So that's why it's happen. But when you will come into any field like any prepared topic, we will discuss about very deeply. That time really you will get so many vocabulary and words. That's how you can enhance your English spoken journey.
Okay, so if you want to know more about me, so of course you can ask me.
Okay. I just uh, Mr. Chapan, you tell me, how long have you been learning this English spoken language?
Okay, so if I talk about start, starting point when I started, actually when I didn't know everything. So if I talk about, you know from that side, so I have been learning English for 1 year.
Okay.
Okay, and now still I'm learning. If I talk about why am I learning, so actually that when I started my English journey, at that time I had no idea that why am I learning English, but scroll like Facebook page. So suddenly one day I got a video. That video was uh, English related video. I mean
Okay.
that guy was speaking in English. So at that time, I didn't know everything in English. So you know so I thought that how it is possible. Actually, he looks like a villager. Thought that, and in that video, he was explaining that about his English journey. Okay, from him, and I started. But at the time, I didn't have any plan that after that what would I do.
Yes.
Okay, just I started, and I after that, now right now I'm thinking that now I can speak little bit, so I have to improve, and after that also I can I can teach people, and so that I can make motivate other people to learn this language.
Yes, I think it's really amazing. You got inspired from other people, and you are also learning this language. Is there any
So
certain point you feel very difficult? It is you very difficult for you for speaking English. Okay, what is any main reason? Is there any main reason you feel like that? Yes, it is very difficult for me.
at the time I didn't feel that now I can't do it. Actually, I didn't feel like that. But I was feeling very happy because
I can
that
speak.
so I was thinking like that. So after learning, and when I try to explain something at that time, I couldn't explain. Okay, so at that time I was thinking that maybe that I can't do it because now it's going to be very difficult day by day. So I after that I tried a lot, and right now you can say that also I can speak little bit. I can understand whatever people say to me. I can understand.
Thank you, Mr. Topon. Nice to connect with you. I will see you next video. Okay.
Okay, okay,
Okay, thank you for connecting. And really, this is a wonderful session, I would say, in 2026.
okay. Yeah.
Bye bye. Best of luck, okay?
Okay. Okay. Bye.
Thank you so much.